Alright, the pack done touched down, man. If it ain't one thing, it's another, man. We always need something. Let's see what we got today. Tear it up, pack. Tear it up, pack. Alright. So in here, let me show you what we got. So in here we got pretty much the dowels, just the dowels for the engine, man. We need to pop them things in there. So that way, when we get ready to put our heads on, they go into a line the way we need them to. So it's 4 of them that you need. We're gonna get them put on there and we're gonna be good to go. I also bought some Scotch Brite pads so I can make sure I clean the maiden surface. It don't look too bad, honestly, but we're gonna make sure we get that cleaned off. And then gaskets, copper spray. Well, I don't think we need a copper spray. We'll put some on there just in case. But yeah, just make sure our maiden surface is real clean. Definitely make sure you put your motherfucking lifters in there, because yeah. So lifters, gasket, head or lifters, lifter trays, of course, and then heads. So, all right. So let me show you what we got. Oil pan on. This is not like the final, but just to get it where we need it to be, type shit. We got our AC Delco, original OG lifter trays. We got lifters that been soaking like for months. Some people they say don't soak them, blah blah blah, whatever. Them bitches been soaking for months, they're gonna be fine. But I had to put the oil pan on because I know them bitches were probably gonna leak. Just all the oil was gonna run down. So we're gonna get them, put them in there, and then come back with the gaskets and put the heads on. So I was just reading here in the book where it says it's recommended to not soak the lifters in oil before installation, as it can interfere with proper rocker tightening on stock rebuilds or with valve lash adjustments on high performance rebuilds using adjustable rocker arms. I mean, them lifters been soaking for months. It's really ain't nothing I can do. It is what it is. So, yeah. So, alright. Here we go. So the next step, locating dowel pins that we just ordered new ones, head gasket installation, and yeah. On to the top of the motor. Alright, so these are the heads that we picked up out of town. We just kind of sprayed them down a little bit, get them cleaned up. These are not going to be the ones that we put on the motor. These we're going to probably bust all the way down. Get them cleaned up. Lap the valves, the whole 9. These are 706 heads as well. This one don't have no bolt broke off in them. So that's one good one. This one has a bolt broke off in there. The first one and the last one. So, and then on these, I think both of these had something broke off in there. This one only had one. Might be able to weld on top of that one. Get that one up out of there. But overall, we should have 2 this good. You know what I'm saying? 2 this good overall. Heads on heads on heads. Man, cause I ain't gonna lie to you, the price that I paid for this incomplete set of heads. I mean, if I would have just tried to buy the valves and the keepers for these, I would have paid more than what I paid for these heads. So these could be scrap heads for parts, whatever you want to call them or refer to them as. But they're gonna get the job done. You heard? Yes, sir.